have already taken the name of the candidate. Now tell me, the party, they are going to set up the candidate for the Gambegre by-election. Now there are 2-3 aspirants which has not officially applied, but once they will apply, definitely the party will take the best decision whom to be ticket to be selected. Just only aspiring. Aspiring cannot be officially mentioned. So, we are going for the meeting on the 21st to Delhi to discuss this with the national level, and also we have discussion also now also, but virtually discussion with the national leader to set up the candidate for the by-election. See, mantra is the NDA government led by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. There are so many schemes it is given for the poorest of the poor, for the poor people. There's so many development been doing from the central government. That is our mantra. But it is up to the choice of the people. As to what you are saying, the BJP, they have announced very late for the official candidate. So this time we have told them, that's why they just announced only recently. They have called us now to discuss there. So we'll discuss after that only we will be finalize the candidate for the by-election. So I'm not saying NPP, this is the MDA government. We are also a part of the MDA government. So that, if you are, the people have their own opinion. Their own opinion. Whether you are accept their opinion or not accept your opinion is up to our individual, but it is the opinion.